And guys, now this bicycle is also have problem with the front rear derailleurs, front derailleurs. So because of my friend, he took off the cable, and then the front derailleur is not work properly, so it's not easy for her. And I will fix this out, and we just need the derailleur cable and also the housing. So I will put it back. So please watch my video how to put the front derailleurs with the new cables and housings. Yeah. You have to cut this one properly, and how to measure from here. Yeah, you have to put this one, and then you bend a little bit, and then your housings is here, and it's suitable or fixed. You can cut right here. Yeah, you see this one is not so long, not too long, not too short. Yeah, see this, and then I cut this. Yeah. And after this, you have to remove the covers of the shifter. Yeah, they have two screwdrivers here. Screw one here, and then you remove this one, open it. You can see you can housing the cable inside. Clean properly. Yeah, and then new cable. Yeah, how to housings. You have to find out where to put the head of the cables over here, and then you just put it in here, housings in here. And this one, you need to put this one and house the cable.
Anh cô lên thì đấy.
Long, not too short. So you bend like this. Would be this. Yeah. Okay. Lose all of this wire. Yeah. Lose until here. Stop it. And then đạp màu cái bạn phải chụp mũi để cái đạp
Pin nó của bạn.
cái tí đâu bạn màu đạp
Vâng.
cái này
Vâng. Vâng.
Almost done with the front barriers. Then put the cover back here.
Next time.
Vì chẳng làm mà lấy không.
Có hả? Lên phải.
Khoảng này.
Riêng check delay
Bạn.
đi.
Bạn.
Cái này hả?